Welcome to Rock Your Fashion. Can we talk about something that's been bugging me for ages? So many women over 50 are aging themselves with these fall outfit mistakes. And I don't want you to be one of them. I see gorgeous, elegant women completely missing out on simple fixes that could make their autumn wardrobe absolutely incredible. Today, I'm sharing 7 common fall fashion mistakes that elegant women avoid. And wait until you see the accessory switch that transforms your entire look. Shall we start? Mistake number 1. Clinging to summer fabrics. Ladies, let me tell you about the biggest mistake I see in early fall. Women wearing summer weight fabrics well into autumn. You know what I'm talking about. Thin linen, gauzy cotton, or flimsy rayon that's completely out of season. Even if it's 70 degrees, these fabrics just look wrong for fall. Here's what you need to do instead. Transition to fall-appropriate fabrics that still work for warmer temperatures. Choose lightweight wool, silk blends, cotton knits with more body and structure that read as autumn even in mild weather. Look for pieces in fall colours like burgundy, camel or olive. A silk blouse in a rich autumn shade or a lightweight merino sweater looks infinitely more polished than that white linen from July. Layer smartly with cardigans you can remove. The key is choosing fabrics that have weight and presence. You'll look current and seasonally appropriate instead of, I forgot to update my wardrobe. Mistake number 2. Overlayering that adds bulk. This one is huge. So many women think layering means piling on thick turtlenecks under chunky cardigans under heavy jackets. But all that bulk just makes you look heavier and shapeless. And that's not what we want. The secret is strategic, streamlined layering with pieces that work together. Start with a fitted base layer, a thin merino tee or silk camisole. Add a mid-layer that has structure but isn't bulky, a fitted blazer or tailored cardigan. Your outer layer should have clean lines. Choose fabrics that layer without adding inches, thin cashmere instead of chunky knits, structured ponte instead of thick fleece. Make sure at least one layer is fitted to maintain your shape. The goal is warmth without bulk. When you layer smartly, you look polished and pulled together while staying cozy. Trust me, once you master this, you'll never go back. Mistake number 3. Defaulting to all black everything. Don't sleep on this one. The biggest mistake I see every fall is women switching to head-to-head black the moment September hits. Yes, black is easy, but all black can look harsh and aging against fall's beautiful warm light. It drains colour from your face. Embrace fall's gorgeous warm colour palette instead. Think rich burgundy, warm camel, deep olive, chocolate brown, terracotta, and rust. These colours are absolutely stunning and so flattering. You don't have to abandon black completely. Just use it strategically as an accent. Pair black pants with a camel sweater or a black blazer with a burgundy top. Add warm metallics like gold or bronze. Incorporate jewel tones like emerald or sapphire that pop beautifully in autumn. These colours bring warmth to your complexion and make you look vibrant and alive. The difference is absolutely amazing. You'll look elegant and current instead of washed out. Mistake number 4. Wearing the wrong boot styles. Ladies, boots are fall's essential footwear, but here's where most women go wrong. They choose styles that either look dated or completely wrong for their proportions. Super chunky platform boots, those weird square toe styles, or over-the-knee boots that overwhelm shorter frames. These mistakes age you instantly. Choose classic boot styles in flattering heights and silhouettes. Ankle boots with a small heel or wedge are universally flattering and elongate the leg. Absolutely perfect. Knee-high boots in soft leather work beautifully for taller women or with skirts and dresses. Look for sleek, streamlined designs without too much hardware. Choose neutral colours like black, brown or tan that go with everything. The toe should be rounded or slightly pointed, never square. Make sure the shaft fits your calf properly. No gapping or squeezing. A well-chosen boot is an investment that elevates every fall outfit. You'll look polished and current, not stuck in the past. If you're loving these tips, don't forget to hit subscribe. I've got so many more elegant styling secrets coming your way. Mistake number 5. Ignoring transitional dressing. This mistake makes you look so out of touch. I'm talking about jumping straight into heavy fall clothes the moment the calendar says September, even when it's still 75 degrees outside. Heavy sweaters and wool coats when it's warm out just looks uncomfortable. Master the art of transitional dressing for early and mid-fall. Start with lighter layers you can add or remove, a cotton tee under a lightweight cardigan or a silk blouse with a vest. Choose 3/4 sleeves that work between seasons. Swap heavy wool for lightweight merino or cotton blends. Wear ankle pants or midi skirts that don't require tights yet. Keep a light jacket handy. Choose full colours in summer weight fabrics. The goal is looking seasonally appropriate while staying comfortable. By late fall, transition to heavier pieces, but early autumn calls for this smart, adaptable approach. You'll look sophisticated and weather appropriate. So chic. Mistake number 6. Sticking to summer accessories. Oh my goodness, this one is so important. Most women remember to update their clothes, but completely forget about accessories. And that's a huge mistake. Wearing straw bags, bright summer jewellery, and canvas espadrilles into fall looks completely out of season and ruins an otherwise polished outfit. Update your accessories to reflect the season's richer, more substantial aesthetic. Switch to leather or suede bags in fall colours like cognac, burgundy, or forest green. Gorgeous! Choose jewellery in warmer metals, gold, bronze, or rose gold instead of bright silver. Add silk or wool scarves in autumn prints. Swap those canvas totes for structured leather bags. Choose richer, deeper colours that complement fall's palette. Consider adding a great leather belt, substantial watch, or quality sunglasses in tortoise shell. These finishing touches complete your look and show attention to detail. The transformation is absolutely immediate. Suddenly, everything looks cohesive and seasonally perfect. Mistake number 7. Neglecting your outerwear. Here's the final mistake that screams, "I haven't updated my wardrobe." Wearing outdated, ill-fitting, or unflattering coats and jackets. That puffy vest from 10 years ago, the shapeless fleece jacket, or the overly long trench that swallows your frame. Your outerwear is what people see first. Invest in quality outerwear in classic, flattering styles. A well-fitted trench coat in a neutral colour is timeless and elegant. Absolutely essential. A structured wool coat that hits at or just above the knee flatters most body types. A leather or suede jacket adds instant polish. Choose styles that define your waist rather than hiding it. Make sure the shoulders fit properly and sleeves hit at the right length. Avoid overly trendy details that will look dated quickly. Stick to classic colours like camel, navy, black or grey. Your coat should make you look put together and sophisticated, not frumpy. Quality outerwear is worth every penny. Bonus: forgetting to mix textures. Here's my bonus tip for you gorgeous ladies. One thing that separates elegant women from everyone else is mixing textures. And fall is the absolute perfect season for this. Don't just throw on a cotton tee with cotton pants and call it a day. That's flat and boring. Instead, combine different textures to create visual interest and depth. Think a chunky knit sweater with sleek leather pants, or a silk blouse under a suede jacket. Mix smooth with rough, matte with shiny. The secret is pairing contrasting textures in the same colour family for a sophisticated monochromatic look, or mixing textures across your fall colour palette. Try cashmere with denim, velvet with wool, or satin with tweed. Each texture catches light differently, creating dimension and richness that screams expensive and polished. This is what takes an outfit from basic to absolutely stunning. Elegant women know that texture mixing is the easiest way to look put together and sophisticated without trying too hard. It's like instant style elevation. And there you have it, the 7 common fall fashion mistakes elegant women avoid, plus that bonus texture mixing trick. When you fix these simple things, the difference is honestly amazing. You'll look more polished, more sophisticated, and so much more confident this fall. Which of these mistakes have you been making? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you, gorgeous ladies. And if this video helped you see fall dressing in a whole new way, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. I'm here every week with more styling tips that will help you look absolutely amazing. Remember, elegant style is about smart choices that make you shine. You've got this.